Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video you will learn how to add admin in Facebook page on iPhone and Android. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, make sure that the person you want to send the admin request to should be your friend on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on menu at the bottom. After that, tap three dots next to your profile icon and your profile and pages will appear in the pop-up menu. Now select the pages whose admin request you want to send to someone else. Now go back to menu and then go to professional dashboard. Swipe down and tap on pages access. Now tap on add new next to the people with Facebook access. Tap on next at the bottom. Now find the name of the person to whom you want to send the request. For example, this is a person. So now it says the person would have these access: content, messages, community activity, add insights, etc. You can also allow that person to have full access, so that is totally depend on you. Once you tap on give access, that person will get an email, and once the person accepts the request, he will be the admin of the page. If this person does not accept your admin request, this notification will expire after 31 days. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.